everyone, my name is Arnetta Dinda Fransiska. I am from RE class, and this time I'm gonna introduce you a website called Testmoz and give you a tutorial of how to do an English assessment in this website. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Okay, before we start the tutorial of using this website, I want to give you a short introduction. Testmoz is actually a test maker website. This website is suitable for high school level and it is perfect to assess reading skill or to do a reading skill assessment. Why do I say it is suitable for reading skill? Because first, we cannot attach or record any audio or video in it. Therefore, we cannot use it to assess listening or speaking skill. Second, we also cannot use it to assess writing skill because it cannot automatically score an essay answer. So I think the perfect skill to be assessed with Testmoz is reading skill. You can use this website when you are asked by your teacher to make a test related to English reading skill, or if you are asked to do a reading assessment from a Testmoz link that your teacher gives to you. Okay, now let me give you a tutorial of using this website. First of all, you have to go to www.testmoz.com. This is the opening screen of Testmoz. There are 6 tabs in this screen. First is Home tab. Actually, it will send you to this opening screen. Second is Features. You can see and read all the features of Testmoz here. Next is Pricing tab. It will show 2 types of Testmoz that you can choose, free or paid. Next, Frequently Asked Questions. It contains many questions that people ask oftenly. Next 2 tabs are Build Test and Login or Sign Up. If you want to be a paid membership, choose Login or Sign Up. But if you want to use the free one, you don't need to make an account to make a test. So, let's click Build a Test. Okay, here I'm going to show you how to make a reading test using Testmoz. First, input your test name and password. Then, click Create a Test. For your information, if you use the free one, there is a limitation related to the number of questions and the number of students submitting. It is 50 questions per test and 100 students maximum. Okay, after you click Create a Test, you will go to Dashboard of Build a Test. In the dashboard, you will see steps of how to create your own test in Testmoz. Now, let's just follow the steps. Start from the first one, Adjust Settings. In Settings, you should set up the introduction of the test, the theme, the interface language, conclusion text at the end of the test, access control, browser functionality, and notifications. Okay, let me finish setting this up. After you have set up everything, click Save and let's move to the next step. Click Questions tab on the left. Okay, this is the step where you need to input the questions for your test. Click the box next to Insert. There are many types of questions provided, but we can only use the graded questions because we use the free version. Now let me input the questions. Need to be remembered, don't forget to input the answer so that it can automatically detect the correct or incorrect answer and show the result at the end of the test. And if you want to delete a question, you can just simply click the red button on the right side of the question box. After finishing your questions, let's move to the Publish tab. Click the Publish button and you will get the link to be shared to everyone. If someone have done your test, you can see the result on the Result tab. That's how you make a reading assessment. Now, how about if you have to do an assessment in Testmoz? Let's pretend that I'm a student and my teacher gives me a link to do a reading assessment in Testmoz. Let's open the link. This is the screen that you will get after open the link. Type your name, class, or anything that written there and click Start. You will go to the test page. At the top of the screen, you can see the introduction part of the test. Don't forget to read it carefully. Meanwhile, at the bottom of the screen, you can see a timer. It shows the time you have left to do the assessment. After reading the introduction part, all you need to do is do the assessment. Let's finish it. After you have finished doing the assessment, click Submit. Then, you will see the closing part, your score, and the time you spent for doing the assessment. Below of it, you can see the questions and your answer. You can see which questions correct and which questions incorrect. If you answer incorrectly, there will be the correct answer shown. You can see those as the review. After that, click Logout. That's how you do a reading assessment in Testmoz. It is as easy as making it, right? Okay, that's all that I can show you. I hope this information and tutorial are useful for you to improve your reading skill by making or doing an assessment in Testmoz. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.